Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add your Cash App card to any of your desired wallet. So let's get started right away. You can add your Cash App card either into your Google or your Apple Pay account depending on which wallet you use. So in order to proceed through with this, you will first need to have already created a Cash App card. If you don't have one already, open up the Cash App application first, and then from the home page, tap on the card menu from the bottom left corner. Now you will find the button to get your free cash card. Go ahead and tap on it, and now you can choose your style and tap on your desired card to have your card made for you. After you have your card made and you have it added to your account, whenever you tap on the card menu, you will see your card at the very top, along with the option to add your card to your Apple or your Google Play wallet. You can simply tap on this option and this will verify your devices that this will be linked into. Go ahead and proceed forward by tapping on your device, and then you will simply need to enter your name for verification as well as your Cash App card number. Go ahead and type in both of these and you can read through the terms and conditions and tap on the agree button. Once you do this, you have the option to set this as your default card within your wallet. You can tap on the Use as Default option or the Not Now button based on your preference. And once this process is completed, you will be notified that your card has been added to your Apple or your Google Pay wallet. You can tap on the Done button and check on your wallet application, and you will be able to find your Cash App card within the wallet. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to add your Cash App card into your Google or Apple Pay wallet. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video. Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to link your Cash App with PayPal. So let's get started right away. If you open up the Cash App application and look from within the application, by checking inside your account icon, you will find various options to link your bank account. Now, within this application, you will not find a specific option to link your PayPal account. However, this can be overcome by linking the same card or your bank account with PayPal as well as the Cash App application. So if you haven't linked a bank account or your card already, go ahead and tap on the Add Bank using your debit card option. Then you can simply type in your debit card number followed by your month and your year and the 3-digit CVV code. Then enter your zip code and then tap on the Link Card option. Now after you do this, if you don't have a card, you can also tap on No Card and then provide your bank account information in order to link your account with Cash App. Tap on the Continue button and provide the relevant information in order to set up your bank account and link it with your Cash App application. Once this process is completed, you can log into your PayPal account from your phone or your web browser and then go into your wallet settings. From the wallet settings page, you also have an option to link a credit card or your bank account. First of all, if it is possible, then click on the Link a Credit Card option and then use your Cash App card information and click on the Link button to see if this works. If this doesn't, then your other option is to add your bank account or your bank credit card details. Is to add your current bank account or your credit or debit card details and then save it within the PayPal application as well. Now, once you have linked the same account within both Cash App and PayPal, you will be able to transfer your funds from within Cash App as well as the PayPal application. While this is a two-step process, until there is no direct link within PayPal and Cash App, this is the only way to transfer funds within them. And there you have it. That is how you can go about linking your Cash App application account with your PayPal. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video. Hello everyone, and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to link your bank account to your Cash App account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Cash App application on your device. And if you haven't logged into your account, go ahead and use your Cash App PIN or your email address and your password to log into your account. Now, after you have logged into your account, you will be taken into the home page from which you will be shown all of the funds that you have from within your Cash App account. Now, from this page, if you wish to link your bank account to your Cash App, you might see the notification pop up when you open up your app automatically. But if you don't, then you can tap on your account icon at the top right corner to access your account page. From this page, scroll down and you will find linked banks. Go ahead and tap on it, and now you can use link debit card in order to link your bank account using your debit card. From this screen, you can simply enter your debit card number followed by the expiration month and a year. Then type in the 3-digit CVV code followed by your zip code, and then tap on the link card button. If you don't have a card, you can tap on no card to access an external link from which you can directly link your bank account. Tap on the continue button and provide your bank account information. And after you provide all of your information and your information has been verified, your bank will successfully be linked with your Cash App account. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to link your bank account onto your Cash App. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.